and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon for notifications. So today we are going to cook another very famous and loved Bengali recipe. It's called lao chingri. Now I know a lot of you do know how to cook lao chingri, but we all cook it a little different way. So this is my version of lao chingri, and I bet you will love it. And it's delicious, so try it out. So let's get this started, and as I go I will let you know what ingredients I'm using, and also as usual I'll put it in the description box. So I have here around like 30 small shrimp. We are going to coat it with some salt. We're just seasoning this, and some turmeric powder. Mix that up, and I have a pan over here, and I'm heating some mustard oil in there. So first we are going to go ahead and fry the shrimp, and here I have some lao, which is bottle gourd, and I have, normally you can grate it or you can dice it or you can cut it into little fingers, like little very fine fingers. That's exactly what I have done, because bottle gourd has a lot of water, and if you grate it, it's going to release even more water, and it just gets very mushy. So what I do is I just cut them into fine strings like this, and you do take out the skin of it. You can always do something with the skin. You can fry it up with some poppy seeds and some mustard. It's delicious. So my oil is already heating over here. I'm going to go ahead and fry my shrimp, which we've already seasoned with some salt and some turmeric. I love that sound when you first put like something in the hot oil. This might take like 1 to 2 minutes for you to cook. Okay, so our shrimp is fried. We are going to go ahead and take it off in a bowl. And in that same oil, we are going to add finely chopped onions. We're going to fry the onions until golden brown. Okay, that's done. So in that same oil, here I have some finely chopped onions. I'm going to go ahead and put that entire onion. That's a big whole onion. And we are going to fry the onions until it is golden brown. I am not going to add any more salt in the onions because the salt from the shrimp is already in the oil, because we are using the same oil. Okay, so our onions are starting to turn brown, and into that we are going to add almost 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Into that I am going to add some red chili powder, some coriander powder, maybe a little more, some cumin powder, and I will leave the quantities and the measurements in the description box. Some turmeric, and cook that. Once it's starting to, once the ginger garlic paste starts cooking, we are going to add our tomatoes. See, it's starting to release oil from the sides. That's when we will go ahead and add all our lao or bottle gourd. Oh, we forgot to add our tomatoes, but no worries, we're going to go ahead and add it now. A lot of people do not add tomatoes too, and that's perfectly fine. So I'm just going to go ahead and add my tomatoes in there. That's like 1/4 of a tomato, not too much. So you can see that the bottle gourd is nicely mixed with the spices, and now into that we are going to go ahead and add in all our fried shrimp. You're going to add a little bit of garam masala, and that is freshly ground garam masala, and mix it up. Normally I would add normal fried chili or green chili, but I don't have it and I don't know how to survive without them. So, but I'm going to try. So I'm just going to add 2 really thick, fat jalapenos. Those are jalapenos. But trust me, normal fried chili is the best. Okay, so if you have that, try to use that. Oops. You don't want to waste any shrimp because shrimp is delicious. I'm going to go ahead and add a handful of cilantro in there because who doesn't like cilantro? We love it. And maybe a little bit more of the salt. I'm not sure. We're just going to taste it and see if the salt is okay. And if we need more, we can add. Always remember, if you have less of something, you can always add it, especially salt and sugar. But if you put too much, you won't be able to take it out. So let's cover that up nicely and let it cook. So maybe we are going to lower the heat so that it doesn't burn at the bottom and leave it for at least 10-15 minutes to cook. So I'll see you after 10-15 minutes. So we are done with we let this cook for a good 10 minutes, 7 to 10 minutes. You can see there is a lot of water from the bottle gourd and we did not add any water. So we are going to let it simmer again, but uncovered. So all that water from the bottle gourd evaporates and what we are left with is a delicious mixture of bottle gourd and shrimp. This thing is all done. Just before taking it out or after we plate it out, we are going to add in some more garam masala and a little bit of ghee or clarified butter. So this is done. You can see how easy this is, and the best part is kids like it too. Like my daughter loves this recipe. Like she will eat lao chingri, but not if I cook lao with anything else. So try it out. It's good. If kids enjoy it, that's like a game changer. So I'm just going to go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of clarified butter and maybe a pinch of garam masala. Just sprinkle it. And that's it. Give it a quick mix. Your delicious, yummy lao chingri is ready to serve. Serve it with a plate of piping hot basmati rice and enjoy it. Leave me a comment, and if you have not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe. Enjoy!